So, this is the whole universe. And there's trillions of things going on at once. There's trees growing here. There's trees growing here. There's animals. There's the ocean. There's mountains and storms and wind and billions of forests, billions of animals, billions of bugs, billions and billions of dirt and rivers and glaciers and oceans and ocean animals, trillions of everything. And we human beings are, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, trillion times, we are this big and insufficient compared to everything else. Yet we're trying to control so much stuff, and we can't, because we're just a tiniest minuscule meaning of nothing amongst all this thing. But what we can control is if we imagine that we are, there is this river of everything, and it's flowing this direction, and we are here. We cannot fight. We can try, but we're not going to win. We cannot fight all this which nature is taking care of and is moving this direction all by itself. We'll let nature take care of all this. Not our problem. It will happen anyway, whether we try or not. And all this, it will not, we cannot stop it, change it, control it. It will happen by itself. Nature is taking care of all that. What we can control, as we flow along with nature, along with the flow, we can control this decision, and this decision, and this decision, and this decision. We can control those decisions as we flow with nature. We're not controlling anything other than the decisions in the direction of the flow. And then move it down a little bit. So here we are again in the flow. And these are the decisions we can choose within the flow of the river. This is the river flowing this way. Amongst these decisions, we can make the best of this decision, this decision. We can make the best of this decision, and this decision, and this decision, and this decision, depending which one we choose. But we are just choosing the best decision that is the best for us, that is within the flow of the river. And that's it. We just keep changing decisions that suits us best, but always and only within the flow of the river. That's it. We don't fight. Don't fight anything. Ever. We just go always and only with the flow. That is how we don't fight the universe. We flow with it and we achieve peace and harmony always. We don't argue, we don't fight. We can disagree, but we stay always within the flow. That is how we get happiness and peace in our life. That goes with work, with jobs, with life events, with partners and relationships. It's all the same. We go with the flow. We can try, but it won't be successful. We don't ever go this way, because we will get nowhere. We will be unhappy, and by doing this, going against the flow, what happens every time is you produce loosh. Loosh is the energy we output when we are unhappy, stressed, sick, all that stuff. The energy we produce is called loosh. We don't produce any loosh at all when we go with the flow. This has to be us. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.